Are you ready to revolutionize your viewing experience? In this video, we'll dive deep into IPTV services and how to choose the best one for you. First off, check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider around. They provide reliable access to your favorite channels without the hassle of traditional cables. Let's move on to identifying your needs. Do you want sports, movies, or a mix? Services like ReflexSat and Viral IPTV are great for sports fans. Assess your preferences to narrow down your choices effectively. Remember, the right plan should cater to your lifestyle.
Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm bout it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rowdy. Then I'm for the fit, and I drive a wide body. Who you know, but like this, nobody. Can't go slow, I gotta hit that body. I'm the top for the top, I can't never take a break. Yeah, I'm hot, and you not, that's why all my records bang. Oh, it's been a long, hard road, gotta go home. Yeah. Oh, and I know you love the way that I'm gon' keep going. Yeah. Came through flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff, ain't something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, why they mad at a man like me? I went too crazy. Better take.
Next, research your options. Look for legal IPTV providers that have positive reviews. Options like StreamQ and Layers Even TV have been praised for their reliability. Always check for user feedback and expert reviews to ensure you're investing wisely. Now let's talk about setup. Most IPTV services require a compatible device. Smart TVs, streaming boxes, or even mobile devices can work. Make sure to check their compatibility list before subscribing. This step is crucial to avoid any compatibility issues later on.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same.
Lastly, don't forget to secure your connection. Using a VPN can protect your privacy while streaming. A good VPN service can enhance your experience, especially if you're accessing geo-restricted content. So why wait? Start your IPTV journey today. And for a top-notch experience, remember to check out 2TV Store, where you'll find the best IPTV solutions. That wraps up our guide on choosing the best IPTV service for your needs. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more great content. Enjoy streaming.